The Bulldozer offers dependable power for moving large volumes of earth. Its reinforced blade cuts through hard soil, rock, and debris with ease. Wide, durable tracks provide excellent traction on muddy or uneven ground, preventing slippage. The operator cabin reduces vibration and noise, allowing comfortable long-hour work. Hydraulic controls ensure precise blade positioning for grading and backfilling. Easy access service points simplify routine checks, cutting downtime. With robust construction and steady performance, this machine handles demanding job sites efficiently.